In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Fire TV Stick remote that isn't working or seems completely dead. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, I would recommend trying the simplest fix. Just remove the back cover of the remote and replace the batteries with fresh ones. Then press and hold down on the home button for about 10 seconds to see if it reconnects. If that doesn't work, we're going to move on to the next thing, which is, of course, power cycling. So go ahead and unplug the power from your Fire TV Stick and then grab the remote and press and hold down on the back button, the menu button, and the left button all together for about 15 seconds. From here, go ahead and release the buttons and remove the batteries from the back of the remote. Then plug your Fire TV Stick back into power and wait for it to load. As soon as it turns on, put the batteries back into the remote, hold the home button again for around 10 seconds to try pairing it, and after a minute or two, you may see a message saying that the remote cannot be detected. If you do, hold the home button again to reconnect. And if your remote still isn't working, use your phone instead. So open up the App Store or go to the Google Play Store and download the Amazon Fire TV app and then connect to the Fire TV using the same Wi-Fi network. Once connected, use your phone remote to go all the way over to your settings right here and then scroll down until you see controller and Bluetooth devices. Open this up and then select the Amazon Fire TV remote section, hit add new remote, and then grab your physical remote again, hold that home button down to pair it, and that is it. Your Fire TV remote should now be working. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.